Actually, universal health care, we know, well, the number one reason for bankruptcy in the United States is health insurance bills. We also know that the majority of Americans actually don't have access to appropriate health care because they cannot afford it. If we had a universal health system like every other country in the world that is not third world, okay, have successfully done, and it's very good. I have been through the German system, through the system in GB, and the care is superior to what you have here in America. It truly is. And no, it doesn't take forever. I had a patient, a Canadian patient, who found out she had breast cancer, and it was less than a month before she had the mastectomy. They paid for her to get restructured, and she started her chemo and her radiation, and she didn't have to work because she was able to have income from the government come in while she was undergoing her chemotherapy and recovery. So, with that being said, why? Because we're all Americans, and if we're a collective, the government needs to do something for us and needs to do more than just start wars. There needs to be an infrastructure in place so that we can take care of one another. Me as a business owner would love for the government to pay for healthcare because that means I can put more money towards things like salaries, for example. Additionally, the healthcare system is destroying healthcare providers. We are just exhausted, and the life of a nurse and a therapist and a doctor are much, much shorter these days. I can't tell you how many people are leaving healthcare right now because of the absolute chaos of it.